Hello, my name is Garrett Andrews, and this is a video for a week 3 video part of a weekly assignments called Throw a Dart. I couldn't get a picture from like the app to like copy and paste so I could post it like over here, but I'll show you on the next slide precisely like where my location was. Okay, so the location of my point was like right below Africa and like this yellow part of the Atlantic Ocean, which I liked. I liked that it was close to land and not some like random point. But for the age, according to this map, the age of my point is about 60 million years old. Because like it's yellow right here where my point was, and that indicates 60 million. As it would be getting older, it would go away from this red line, which I guess could be north or east, but I just thought it'd be north. The depth of this point is about 20,000 feet according to Google Earth. I googled the map that the professor left us on the instructions, but it was just so hard for me to read and it was all glitchy. So I went to Google Earth to find out the depth of my point, which is like about here, and it is about 20,000 feet deep according to Google, which I would believe that Google's pretty accurate when it comes to most stuff. The thickness of my sediment is between 50 and 250 meters thick. Like this map did not work well for my spot. I came to realize as it like gets cut off exactly where my spot's at, but I would think it'd be green, which would make it between 50 and 250, but over here it's pretty tough. But yeah, it's definitely green, which it would make it would make my point between 50 and 250 meters thick. Where the sediment is under the coast of Africa, or like this coast of Africa, not this, because you know everything's different. And for types of sediments, according to this map that I found, the type of sediment found in my point would be carbonate ooze, which is a biogenous sediment, because the point of my map is like right here in this blue area under that part of Africa, and it would be carbonate ooze. And yeah, that's everything. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.